Come on. This is working beautifully. Come on, you gotta make it all the way across. Just laying this white color right across really gently. Don't speed, don't speed, don't speed. I want to speed up. I've got this beautiful piece that I made that I'm just not in love with. So today I'm going to pour right over the top of it and make something new. So it's too hard to play outside today because there's a lot of wind. As you can see, the water is just whipping. So today I was thinking, I'm just going to paint. And as you know, I've had concussion brain that I'm getting over. And so they advised me at the concussion clinic that getting back to regular life is something I should do. So that's what I'm doing today. Today I'm going to pour right over the top of it. And this is called Valley View by Sherwin-Williams. I've got these old paints that have been just hanging around. I made them for other purposes and I haven't used them. So I'm just going to stir them up. Hopefully we don't have any little paint pops in there. And I'm going to do what I call a ribbon drift, which is just like this. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting paint, basically, I'm gonna stack it on top. There we go. I don't know if you can hear the wind out there. It's so loud that I bet my microphone's picking it up. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. Oh, it's going to be gorgeous. Okay. And I'm literally just splashing it on there. Okay, here comes some, this is blue violet. Oh, this one hasn't been opened in a while, I can tell. This one I feel like can really take over. So I'm not going to put as much on here. Oh, there we go. Right? Maybe. What I'm looking for is like these teal and blue pops. Perfect. Okay. Now green. This is pearl turquoise. This one's by Lumiere. I love their colors. Woo, that one just kind of, this one's a little thicker than the rest. Let's see if we can get, really like this color though. Oh, we got a big splash right. Oh, boy, concussion brain Jane, right? You could tell I'm not AI, can't you? If I was AI, that would have never happened. This is real painting in real life. All right, so next is violet, halo violet. It's gonna be so pretty, I can't hardly wait. Okay, I gotta slow down my concussion brain. I call this a ribbon pour because I feel like I'm just splashing ribbons across it. It's one of my favorite pours to do, just because I don't have to worry about the colors. I can just enjoy. I don't have to make new colors. I'm just using what's already in my cabinet. It doesn't need to be perfect. Ooh, now this one's really, really thick. So let me thin this a little bit. We don't want it on there too much thicker than everything else. It can be a little thicker, but oh, this is really going to give it some shimmer and some pop. Some of these colors look very much the same, but they're metallics and different kinds of colors, different manufacturers. So that's going to make this just pop when it's hanging on the wall. All right, violet. And then we have one color to go. So violet. This one's white, but it's violet when it's called pearl, and when it's all done, it's going to show up as a violet. Looks white now. You can tell I have concussion brain. I can't even find all my words. There we go. All right, one more. This also reminds me of one of those pizzas you make, especially, you know, like where you just throw everything on. That reminds me of that. A paint pizza, right? All right, and let's put some of this on. Not too much. We don't want this color to take over. But I definitely want some definition to the cells. Okay, all right. Whew. Okay, now, next, what I think I'm going to do, I think this is going to be beautiful. I just love the green underneath so far. I'm going to do something a little unconventional. Oh, this is kind of like the Bob Ross of fluid art, I think. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we get rid of some of these bubbles. I'm just going to pop them with this torch. There we go. That'll help as we keep going. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some color on here. I'm going to drag it across. And if I've done this right, it's going to make these beautiful colors and cells as a reaction happens between them. If I did this right, we'll see. So let's put this on. Should make it this beautiful lacing. I want to put enough on to go all the way across. Okay. Okay. This could go either way, you guys. Here we go. Come on. This is working beautifully. Come on, you got to make it all the way across. Just laying this white color right across really gently. Don't speed, don't speed, don't speed. I want to speed up. There we go. Wow. Look at that. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Look at the colors coming up. Wow. Let me just spin it a little bit so you can see the colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Now what I'm hoping happens is these colors start to pop up. Wow. I love this. It's be beautiful hanging on the wall. Now what I'm hoping next is that these colors start to come up, and then as I begin to spin it, all the paint comes over the sides. That would be great. I see something right here in it. So let's see. A little piece of something. Now's the time to get that out. Guess we're going like that. That won't hurt anything because this is going to fall off. Beautiful. Oh, I just really love this. The violet coming up through. All the shimmers starting to happen. Let's get some more of the bubbles out. We have quite a few. I don't want to burn the paint. I gotta be careful, don't burn the paint. Wow. Wow. Let's do a little close-up of it so you can see it. All the paint coming over the sides. So pretty. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So the next step is going to be, we're going to spin it. Let me center it here. I really want all of the color to start coming up. So I'm just going to give it some gentle, gentle spins. Make sure I got it kind of in the middle here. Pretty. My goal is for it to go over the sides and sort of, I'm going to say decorate the sides as it does. Oh, beautiful. Oh, this is nice right here. Really want it to come over here. Really got to get some more paint here to kind of help it along. Okay, so here we go. I'd love to see it move this way a little bit, so I'm going to see if I can just get it going. Come on, paint. So stretch it a little bit at the same time. Come on. So pretty. Let's give it another spin. What I struggled with the other one was it didn't really have enough paint to get over the sides. And so this one I'm really trying to make sure that doesn't happen again. That I've got enough paint to get over those sides. I mean, look how gorgeous this turned out. Sometimes paint just wants to be what it's going to be. It's going to go where it's going to go, and I can't stop it. And this one, I think, just went there. Oh, so beautiful. Look at the sides. Now, more paint is going to come over those sides in the next few minutes. But it's going to look so beautiful hanging on the wall. Look at that. It'll have a little color on the sides. Before Concussion Jane messes this up, I'm going to stop right here and show you some pictures of it so you can see how it's turning out as it's drying. And hey, I want to thank you for joining and spending some time with me as I paint. Hopefully I've earned your subscription because that does help our channel. And maybe I'll see you next time. If you stay tuned and just stay right on this list, you'll see some more paintings right after this one. So you can get a cup of coffee and just relax for a while. The world is crazy, but the painting isn't. I'll see you later.